Welcome back. Reggae boy Bobby Reid and his club Fulham in the EFL Championship seem to be on track for a immediate return to the Premier League after being relegated at the end of last season. In his last match, Bobby Reid started on the bench but was able to contribute a goal when he was put on. It says 29-year-old Bobby Reid put the finishing touches on the win in the 87th minute that saw Fulham open up an 8-point gap with a game in hand over second place Blackburn and move one step closer to automatic promotion back to the Premier League. Harry Wilson broke free down the right and pulled back to Fabio Cavallo. The teenager's effort fell to Reid to seal the win for Fulham from close range, the forward's fourth goal of the season for the Cottagers. The game was highlighted by the star Serbian striker Aleksandar Mitrovic's brace, which took his tally to 30 championship goals for the season. So, if we take a look at the EFL table, Fulham has played 29 matches, won 18 games, 17 draws, 4 losses. They've scored 77 goals, only 26 against, with a goal difference of 51. And 61 points. They are dominating the league. They haven't lost any of their last 5 matches, on good form and all of that. So things are looking bright for Fulham, who is sitting in one of the automatic promotion spots. Early days yet, but good going for Bobby Reid and this club. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and we'll see you next time. Remember, like and subscribe.